Hey everyone, and welcome to today's Explainer. Look, if you're trying to break into the world of artificial intelligence right now, you've probably hit an absolute wall of confusing job titles. Am I right? Well, today we're bringing complete clarity to these overlapping roles with what I like to call our Hero's Guide to the AI Universe. We're going to decode the exact differences between a data analyst, a data scientist, and an AI engineer, so you know exactly which path is yours.
Okay, let's dive into this. Here is our cognitive roadmap so you know exactly how we're getting from basic definitions all the way to industry salaries. 1. AI terminology demystified. 2. The AI product pipeline. 3. Skills and responsibilities compared. 4. Career fit and salaries. And 5. Practical steps for success. Let's jump right into Section 1, AI terminology demystified. We've got to clear the fog around these heavy buzzwords before we can understand the actual jobs.
So, you probably already know that artificial intelligence is the broad concept of teaching systems to think, kind of like humans. Think of the algorithm recommending your next binge on Netflix. Machine learning? That's the engine underneath. It's all about training algorithms on massive amounts of data so they can make predictions without us having to manually program every single step. But let's go a layer deeper. Deep learning uses neural networks to literally mimic the human brain for incredibly complex tasks. And generative AI? Well, that's the absolute magic responsible for generating net new text, code, or images. It's the exact technology powering game changers like ChatGPT and Midjourney. All right, moving to Section 2, the AI product pipeline. Let's look at the map of the territory and see how an AI product is actually built from start to finish. It is essentially a 7-step journey. We start by gathering data in data collection, then we clean it up. Step 3 is exploratory data analysis, or EDA, to find those hidden patterns. Then, we engineer features. And finally, we hit the core work, training the model, evaluating it to make sure it actually works, and deploying it to real users. Keep this map in your head, because our 3 roles drop into entirely different zones on this pipeline. Now for the core focus of our explainer. Section 3, skills and responsibilities compared. Time to match the roles to their specific gear and daily quests. Now, what's really interesting about this matrix is how clearly the battlefield divides here. Take a close look at the required skill sets and daily job responsibilities. The data analyst heavily relies on SQL and Power BI to build crucial business and sales dashboards for leadership. They're telling the story of the data. The data scientist lives mostly in Python, using libraries like Pandas and scikit-learn to build complex predictive models. Think fraud detection systems. Meanwhile, the AI engineer is doing the serious heavy lifting. They're using deep learning frameworks like PyTorch and building APIs to actually deploy custom applications like advanced chatbots. Now, we've got to talk about math. It's kind of the hidden filter for these careers. If you're aiming to be a data analyst, the math requirement is honestly pretty low to moderate. But if you want to be a data scientist or an AI engineer, you need to be highly comfortable with moderate to high-level mathematics. We're talking linear algebra, statistics, calculus, and probability. You literally have to understand the mathematical theory behind how these algorithms think, especially if you want to crush interviews for top-tier roles. And you know, that exact same spectrum exists for coding skills. A data analyst needs low to moderate coding ability. The data scientist, they need a solid moderate level of coding, just enough to manipulate massive data sets and train those models effectively. But an AI engineer, the coding requirement here is extremely high. An AI engineer acts almost like a hybrid of a data scientist and a software engineer. Because they're hands-on with product deployment and building APIs, their software development fundamentals need to be incredibly sharp. Which brings us to the payoff, Section 4, career fit and salaries. Let's figure out how you can match your personal interests to the right career and what you might actually earn. I want you to ask yourself a few really direct questions. Do you prefer driving business decisions over heavy coding? You're a natural data analyst. Do you love solving real-world problems using machine learning and you don't mind diving into the heavy mathematical theory? Data scientist is absolutely your path. Or do you love coding, product development, and want to build the next big generative AI system? Then you, my friend, should aim to be an AI engineer.
And this brilliantly illustrates the financial landscape for freshers entering these fields in India right now. We see a very clear progression. On average, a fresher data analyst starts between 4 to 6 lakhs per annum. A data scientist sees a nice jump, averaging 5 to 10 LPA. And the AI engineer, because it requires that rare hybrid of data science and software engineering, they sit right at the top with an average of 6 to 12 LPA. Just keep in mind, these are averages. Your actual offer depends totally on your specific skills, your internships, and the city you're in.
All right, let's bring it home. Section 5. Practical steps for success. How do you actually land one of these roles in such a competitive market?
If you take away just one thing from this explainer, please let it be this. Your practical skills matter vastly more than your degree. Seriously. Do not fall into the trap of thinking that just having a B.Tech in AI or data science is some kind of golden ticket. It's not. This is an incredibly practical field. Employers care about what you can actually build. You need to focus heavily on practical skills, get those internships, and focus on building at least 3 high-quality, high-level projects for your resume before you even start applying.
So, now that we've decoded the terminology, walked through the pipeline, and laid bare the exact skills and salaries, the choice is entirely yours. Think about what you actually enjoy doing day in and day out. Which path aligns with your skills and your long-term goals? Are you the analyst, the scientist, or the engineer? Make your choice, start building those projects, and go dominate the AI universe.